Have you ever wondered what lies beneath our feet? What if you could dig a hole straight through the earth? Where would you end up? It's a question that sparks curiosity and imagination in all of us. Could we possibly journey through the heart of our planet and emerge on the other side? The truth is, digging through the earth is a far more complex endeavor than it sounds. Our planet is not a uniform ball of rock, it's a complex and dynamic sphere with distinct layers, each presenting unique challenges. Our journey to the other side would be fraught with incredible heat, immense pressure, and technological limitations that make this feat currently impossible. But the sheer scale of the challenge doesn't diminish the wonder of exploring the question. To understand the enormity of the task, we must first understand the structure of our planet. Earth is composed of distinct layers, each with its own characteristics. The outermost layer, the Earth's crust, is the thinnest, like the skin of an apple. It's the ground we walk on and the bedrock beneath our oceans. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, a thick layer of mostly solid rock that behaves like a very viscous fluid over geological timescales. The mantle is so thick that it makes up the vast majority of Earth's volume. Hidden deep within the Earth lies the core, divided into two parts. The outer core is a liquid layer of iron and nickel. Its movement generates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. Finally, at the very center rests the inner core. This solid ball of iron and nickel endures unimaginable pressure and temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. The deeper we venture into the Earth, the more formidable the challenges become. The increase in temperature alone is staggering. For every kilometer we descend, the temperature rises by roughly 25 degrees Celsius. By the time we reach the mantle, temperatures are hot enough to melt rock. Pressure also increases dramatically with depth. The weight of the overlying rock and the atmosphere above exerts immense force, crushing anything in its path. Our current drilling technology pales in comparison to the task of penetrating Earth's deeper layers. The intense heat and pressure would melt and crush even the most robust drilling equipment. Even if we could overcome these engineering obstacles, the sheer distance is daunting. The diameter of the Earth is nearly 13,000 kilometers. To dig through it would require a monumental effort far beyond our current capabilities. Section 4. Digging Deep. A history of ambition. Despite the challenges, humans have always been driven to explore the unknown, including the depths of our planet. One notable attempt is the Kola Superdeep Borehole, a project undertaken by the Soviet Union in the 1970s. The Kola Superdeep Borehole, located in the Arctic Circle, reached a depth of over 12 kilometers, making it the deepest artificial point on Earth. The project yielded valuable scientific data about the composition of the Earth's crust. However, it was ultimately halted due to the extreme temperatures encountered at that depth. The Kola Superdeep Borehole, though a remarkable feat of engineering, only scratched the surface of our planet. It serves as a testament to both human ingenuity and the daunting scale of the challenge. Section 5. Imagining the impossible, a tunnel through Earth. Let's, for a moment, imagine that we could overcome all these obstacles. Imagine a tunnel bored straight through the Earth, connecting two points on opposite sides of the globe. What would it be like to travel through this tunnel? Ignoring the impossible physics of it all, the journey would be unlike anything imaginable. The force of gravity would pull us downward, accelerating our descent as we fell towards the center of the Earth. Our speed would increase until we reached the halfway point. Then gravity would begin to slow us down as we moved away from the center, pulling us back towards the opposite end. In theory, we would oscillate back and forth like a pendulum, eventually coming to rest at the center of the Earth. Section 6. A dream deferred for now. While the idea of digging through the Earth captures our imagination, it remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. The technological hurdles, combined with the extreme conditions deep within our planet, make it an impossible feat with our current capabilities. However, the pursuit of understanding our planet and pushing the boundaries of what's possible is a testament to the human spirit of exploration. While we may never dig our way to the other side of the Earth, the quest to understand what lies beneath our feet continues to drive scientific exploration and inspire generations to come.